Hey you guys, it's your boy Joey, Fun Trip Garage, like always. Friggin' cold out here, but I don't have to drive for a few days. Well, ever that I can think of really, right now. So we're going to attempt to get the up pipe off for the turbo, because I got the replacement. You can look in here. It's right behind that. But to get it off, I gotta pull this out. I've been using this as a heat shield, which is good because it turns out that where it's broken is right here, and it was going right on my heater tubes, causing my heat to not work. But I gotta pull this metal shield off here, and then there's the downpipe, and we go through here. Crap. I got one screw I haven't been able to get to because I'm tired. Let's see, this is the one I gotta get out. You can see all sorts of soot and crap. This is the downpipe, and you can see more. So it's a 11 mil, I think, here, and I think these are 10s. But I'm gonna get the one piece off, get these all sprayed down with PB Blaster, get that soaking. But before I do all that, I'm gonna set up the camera so you can see everything and how much it smokes right now, and then show you the good when it's all done. So yeah, hold on while I get that thing pulled out. All right, you should be able to see what happens here. Well, I can't get it to blow the black smoke like it normally does. That's weird. But you can see this is all soot black from not running right. So I'm gonna go get that PB blasted, let it soak for a while, put some more in there, do it a couple more times, and then get working on it. All right, update. It's now the next day. It is 22 friggin' degrees out here. I was not able to get the downpipe off, and I stopped because these bolts, at least on mine, are 12 millimeter 12 point and not 11 like I thought I was told or was reading. I don't remember, but I think I'm gonna have to cut this heat shield off, or cut here, this piece off, because I can move this, but I can't really do anything. In all the videos I've watched, they didn't have one of those. So that's what I'm working on today. Let's get going. All right, so update. I've gotten the heat shield off. I've gotten a couple of those 12-point bolts off. But you see this here, it's strapped to the bottom of the downpipe because I couldn't get this thing to move. Feels like it's moved now. Well, it's definitely moved because, yeah, I'll have to see if it's popped free up top. But yeah, and also, I think this is going to be an issue. This is supposed to be the mount for the bottom of the downpipe. I don't know what the hell happened. Whatever, we'll deal with that later. Back to work. Alright, I'm sorry I didn't record more of this. But it's flipping cold, and I got everything together. It's all working now, and I got boost. It's so much quieter. You can hear the turbo spooling up. My fuel economy went from 15 on the highway back up to the 20s. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, no more black smoke, and no more exhaust in the cabin of the truck. But to show you what happened, this piece goes up like this. This goes on here, something like this. And then there's supposed to be another thing connecting to that to another side. But because this thing weighs like 15 pounds, or maybe like 5-10 pounds, but it's weighty, these are not very strong. And as you can see, that's supposed to have a mount on it that broke off. So it's just sitting here flopping around, and boom! And all my exhaust would come out right there into the engine bay. Well, we got it. It's all in there. It's about 95% because it's so cold. I couldn't get things in right, and I was tight of breathing in PB Blaster, so eventually I'll order all the race parts and stuff I want and rebuild the turbo, possibly get a bigger turbo. We'll see. But yeah, I'm so happy. This truck's so awesome. Remember, keep doing things, because just like me, you could be fixing your truck, not paying somebody hundreds and thousands of dollars to do it, because that would have cost me a lot. But it cost me only $65 to do. So, well, plus I had to buy some special tools, so that was an extra like $30. So, cost me about $100. But anyways, that is Joey out. Peace. Mike says, like, rate, comment, subscribe. Watch a new video. Subscribe. I don't know. Figure it out. Meow, meow, meow.